Want to learn more about PSM topics? Be sure to check out the Creating and Maintaining Optical Transport Services using the BTI 7000 series or BTI 7800 series courses. For full details, just visit juniper.net/course/BTI 7000 or BTI 7800. Now let's get to your Learning Byte.
Hello, my name is Greg Lehman. In this how-to video, I will demonstrate how the PSM client can easily be configured to launch non-default locations of items such as the ProNX 900 node controller or software for CLI use. So out of the box, PSM has expectations of where it would find the ProNX 900 software. That expectation matches the default location of where the ProNX 900 is installed. But both products allow that to be customized and installed in a user-selected location. So what I'll show here is I'll go ahead, I'll select network element, and you can see it's the BTI 7000, and it happens to be running 11.3 software. I'm just going to right-click and say node controller. No valid node controllers found in the directory. So what's happening here is that PSM is looking at a default location, C program files x86 BTI. As well, what it's doing is it's trying to look in this location, in this directory, and find a ProNX 900 software version that matches the version of the network element software. So to change where this default location resides, I go to Tools, Options, Utilities. So I select the node controller for the product BTI 7000. I will leave it default, meaning for all versions. And we can see here that right now the standard location is C program files x86. So if we look at my computer, I actually have all of this installed on program files because I'm running a 32-bit Windows. So I can take that, I'll just copy that, come here, Control V, paste it in, and hit OK. So now when I come, I can launch the node controller, and PSM is going to look in that directory as I mentioned. It's going to figure out the ProNX 900 software that matches the node version. Because my network elements are set up for radius authentication, as is my PSM client, my user credentials of admin are automatically passed in, and I'll be logged into the element itself. So in a similar fashion, I want to come, and if I'm trying to launch my utility, CLI, it can't find the default. It's trying to run the putty.exe located in C program files x86 putty directory. So I don't have my software installed in that location. I actually have it on my desktop. So what I come here is I come here, I find it, right click, properties, control copy, tools, options, and in this example, let's say we want the CLI for the BTI 7000. Again, I'm going to leave the version as default, so all versions of the software of BTI 7000, I want to run this utility. I simply overwrite this executable with the fully qualified path for where my executable resides. I hit OK. Now I come here and we go ahead and we launch it. Thank you very much.
Visit the Juniper Education Services website to learn more about courses. View our full range of classroom, online, and e-learning courses. Learning paths, industry segment and technology-specific training paths. Juniper Network's certification program, the ultimate demonstration of your competence. And the training community, From forums to social media, join the discussion.